Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a what's in my backpack but end of the year edition. I do these videos every single year and I absolutely love it, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos, and let's just get straight on into what is in my backpack this year. First off, I have this Adidas backpack. I got it off of Amazon. It should be in my Amazon link down below, which is not an affiliate or anything. It's just a link where I put everything that I mention. My first two pockets literally have trash. This is a common theme amongst all of my videos, is I don't know how to use a trash can, I guess. But this very first pocket has like a MacBook charger. My current MacBook actually has like the new long magnet charger, so it doesn't actually use this, but I have it just in case. You can still charge it with this, but the other one is better, I guess, for it. And then there's more trash. I don't know how to throw out, like, I'm just too lazy to get up and go to a trash can, I guess. Then this next pocket has like pretty much a bunch of random stuff. It has my AirPods in it. AirPods and headphones were my lifesavers this year. When I was studying, I have a lot of like gaps between my classes, so I was always listening to something. Expo markers, I didn't actually use these until the end of the year when I was doing like study groups. My Papermate Inkjoy pens were my go-tos. More expo markers. I think I talked about the fact that I don't like my friction not highlighters but pens anymore. So because of that, I've been just like slowly getting rid of them, and I just kind of throw them around my backpack. But again, I just want to like completely get rid of them. My favorite lip glosses of all time are the Essence Extreme Shine Volume lip glosses. I have it in Summer Punch and Crystal Clear, guys. Crystal Clear. I couldn't speak. But those are my favorite lip glosses of all time. I have them everywhere, in my purses, in my bags, literally everywhere. I have this fidget toy that I got for no reason. I don't even really, I mean sometimes I'm bored and I use it, but it was just like free in one of the buildings, so I grabbed one just because. And it's good if you are doing like, I don't know, like a circle time with your friends or something and you want to have like a talking stick. That could be it. I have hand sanitizer, a need in college. You never know when you're gonna need it. In the scent Champagne Toast. I also have Uno to go, which is my favorite like card game ever. Some people don't like Uno, but I don't care. Hate on me if you want, but I love Uno, and at the end of the year especially, I just carry it around whenever I'm not studying. More trash, and then I have my Muji 0.5mm pen, a bunch of other random pens. We have like the Papermate pencils, we have big pencils, we have the Pilot G2 pens. Those are like, I feel like everything in this pouch is like my go-tos. Oh, Friction highlighters, literally the only product from Friction that I actually still like, or like erasable things that I still like. I feel like this pouch specifically is just everything that I just really love, so I kind of just throw it in there and then I know that I'm going to use it. This clip was supposed to go on my AirPods and I had lost it for a little bit, but luckily I found it. It was just in my backpack. So yeah, this backpack, one thing that I really love about it is it's super spacious. That's why I throw random things everywhere. So we have trash, we have cough drops. Yeah, it has so many pockets, so many different compartments. It's great if you are looking for something like this. The next thing in the next pouch is my pencil case. I really don't need a pencil case. I don't think in college you really need one, especially like me. If you have that little pouch on the top of your backpack where you can just throw pens and pencils and random things in there, I think that's honestly good. I think this just takes up way too much space, and I think next year I'm probably not gonna actually carry this around, because I feel like there was no need for this, and all of the things in here are literally untouched. I have a glue stick, which if you're in high school you still use glue sticks for things. In college, not so much, unless you're like an education major like me. Actually, I'm a Spanish major, education minor, but you know, we still take them education classes. The next thing is my like emergency kit, kind of like girly things. I actually really did like this. It came in handy. I have deodorant. I have like wet wipes. This comes in handy because you never know when something's gonna be like gross, like a surface or something. Lotion, because you never know when you're gonna be like, your hands are gonna be dry, some part of your body is ashy, you know, you need that lotion. I didn't realize that both of them were Suave. Not that I really love Suave or anything, it's just You know, when you go to like the travel section, that's like the travel sizes that they have. So I just grabbed those two things and called it a day. I have a little mirror, compact mirror. Didn't really use it, but I mean, it comes in handy, especially if you're like looking at your makeup to retouch it or anything. I have all these hair ties, but I realized that I didn't even put in bobby pins, which could come in handy. I have like nail file, nail buffer, and then this perfume or body mist from Finery. It's called Sweet on the Outside. It smells so good. I had like the big perfume of it, and it was so nice. I loved it. So I'm glad I have the little travel size. I might have to just take that out of there. Again, hair ties. I have like just like another deodorant. This one's like a full body one though, the Lumi one. I feel like it doesn't really work under my armpits, but for other body parts, I guess it works. Again, I love the Essence lip gloss, so of course I have to have another one. Guys, why do I have 3 in one backpack? I need to take those things out. More trash. This little pouch actually my mom gave me, so I don't really know where it's from. I also have index cards, but the little pouch has like pads in it, which again, super handy if you like go to the bathroom and you don't want to like carry around tampons or pads or whatever. It just becomes handy to like not have to like try to hide it. You just take that little pouch and that's it. And people are like, either it's makeup or it's something cosmetic-y. I don't know. This little thing, I got it from Target, and I use it to carry around my cords. The only thing that I have in here is these headphones, which I don't even think maybe I used them like once or twice. Not sure, but I like this because it does keep your cords like compact and together, but I feel like it's a hassle just to take those out and in, out and in. So that's something to keep in mind. Maybe just have another way of putting your cords. This pouch also has a bunch of index cards. We all know I'm a woman of index cards. I love index cards. I have bigger ones and smaller ones. I did use the smaller ones for like presentations and stuff. And then I have sticky notes, which I also use, even though it doesn't look like I did. I like them for like little reminders or things that I need to remember. Things that are like really, really important. I'm like, put that on my computer, put that all over my room. Like, I really do love sticky notes and index cards. More trash. Are we surprised? I don't think we should be. But that was everything in that compartment. And then the last one is the biggest one, which is literally just like my notebooks, folders, which tell me why I forgot I had folders in my backpack, and then my MacBook with the sleeve and everything. This first notebook is my French one. I actually did use this one a lot, and we had like a little French packet, so I think I might save this and just use it for my next French class, because I know I'm going to take French next semester as well. This one was my science like notebook, and I use this a lot too, so I don't know if I can use it next semester as well. But if it's not like halfway, then I might just use it again. I'm not a science major or anything. I just took it because I had to. This is just random, like, look, all these folders had random handouts, random things. I forgot I had folders in my backpack, but I think 1 or 2 folders is enough. I had like 3. So I think I went a little bit overboard with the folders. I was like, I need 1 for each class. Or I think I had 4, right? And then I was like, I need at least half of like what my classes are. So next semester I already have my schedule. I'm taking 5 classes and I'm really excited, other than the fact that some of them are in the night and I'm not a night person, so I'm not excited for that. But again, I'm an education minor, so a lot of the education classes are taught by actual educators. So like during the day they're teaching in other schools, and then they go to the university to teach night classes. So a little bit annoying for me, but at the same time, you know, what can I do? And then look, like guys, why do I have so many folders? This is like ridiculous. I feel like I just learned that I am an overpacker, and then your back is just heavy from all of that stuff. Like, I really did not need that, and it was just annoying. This black notebook, I forgot what I used this for. Oh, it was for my Spanish film class, which I didn't end up using it. I actually created a Google Doc for that class specifically online and just took notes from there, and it was way easier. This one, honestly, I used both semesters. The first semester, I used it for art history notes, and then the second semester, I used it for my race and American film class. this thing is full, it is packed, gotta get a new one. But I really loved this one because it had like extra sheets of paper. I think it was like 250 sheets of paper or something, and it was extra thick, and I really liked it because I could use it for both semesters and not have to worry about like overcrowding or whatever. This one was my Spanish notebook. I'm also sorry that like the lighting and like the focus goes in and out when I move the notebooks. I did not even notice that happened. But and then the last thing is this sleeve. I also got it from Amazon, again linked in my Amazon wish list / list of things that I've just mentioned over the years. And then this is my MacBook. The only thing I hate about this midnight color is that you can literally see my fingerprints all over it. Disgusting. And then I have this little cord which plugs from your computer to your phone, so if my phone is ever like dead and I don't want to like find an outlet, I'll just plug it into my computer, which is honestly very, very handy. I highly recommend you getting one of those if you're in college and high school, whatever, mainly in college, because it's just like convenient. You just plug it in through your phone through your computer, and that's it. So that's everything. I'm honestly shocked how much trash I have. I don't know why I was shocked, but I have a lot of things that I didn't really end up using this year, which is kind of like depressing and a little bit consumerish. But hopefully next semester I will reuse some of these things, and yeah, let me know what you guys have in your backpack. I love to know what you guys are thinking and whatever. I'm just very nosy, so I would love to know what's in your backpack, what is still in there from the end of the school year. Let me know how your school year went. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And again, stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, angels.